Hello and welcome to BMCC's Moodle. Right now we're on the dashboard, as you can see over here. And a couple things I want to cover is we have these buttons that are available on the dashboard. This will allow you to see all courses that we're offering. We have online tutoring available. This will get you to our bookstore so you can purchase books for your classes. This will get you to your student records where you can check your grades, accept financial aid. And this is a student handbook, so you can see policies. As you scroll down the page, you will have a section that's recently accessed courses. So after you start clicking through courses, they'll show up here. And then you have a course overview. These will be all the courses that you are enrolled in. Now, they'll start showing up over here as your courses start. So if your start date is not active yet, they wouldn't show up here. And once they close, again, they'll disappear from here. So right now you can see this student has 2 courses that are active, although there's 3 that show up under the course overview. There are a couple courses that you will be enrolled in as a student. There'll be a learner orientation course. This will go over how to use Moodle, how to upload files, how to navigate. There's also another orientation course that will be more on BMCC's policies, who to contact if you need help. So check those out. As you scroll back up, there's another thing to note that we have a section that's course blocks. So if you click this, you'll see you have a bunch of options. So timeline, this is as your course runs, it'll tell you when things are due. Read Speaker is a service we have that will read the page to you if you highlight. Badges, if you get any badges in classes. Private files, you can upload files and they'll stay here just for you. Calendar will tell you things that are going on. Online users, these are people who are also online. You can click and message them. And then upcoming events, this goes off of the calendar. To close it, you can click the close button here, and it disappears. Now you see this red mark up here, this is messaging. So through Moodle, we have Moodle messaging, and this allows you to message other students, your teachers. And so I click it, and it opens up a window. So here I can see I have a message from Kendra Voris. I will click it, and then I can see our string of messages. If I want to answer, I just write my answer back, and click this to send. This arrow here will close my messages. So if I ever need it, it's just right there. Now if I want to send a message to someone, I can search them. And then I can send a message. If you click your name, a couple options you'll get is the dashboard, which we're on. You can look at your profile, make some changes. This will show you all your final grades or your current grade for your courses. Again, messages and other preferences. Anywhere you're on Moodle, you can always click this to go back to the dashboard. And that's it. Have a great semester.